Hello, I'm Gino, and this is my wife Dazzle. Welcome to Dazzle TV. Dazzle and I this morning, right outside our apartment, this seafood stall. We went ahead and got some seafood. We got a
Crab?
we got the crab here for 150 pesos.
Yeah.
So about $3, and then I got shrimp for half a kilo of shrimp, and then I got like a star margarines, like a butter here, and garlic so I can cook it. And it was 180 pesos, so about $3.50.
Yeah.
Is where, and this is where we got it. All the seafood here is really fresh. The crab was actually still moving when we bought it.
It's always fresh.
Yeah, it's always fresh, and these are the fish they have here today. These are like the catch of the day. Yeah, there's mussels right there, the crab that we got, and these are like the different fish that they have here for today.
Yay!
And that's Neneng there,
Kuya boy.
and Kuya Boy. Ate Neneng and Kuya Boy, they're chopping what looks like tuna, right? And this is their seafood stall right outside our apartment complex here. So this is where we're going to be getting our food for lunch today. I'm cooking Dazzle's crab that she got, and I can only put 2 at a time on the little skillet that we brought because we didn't really bring anything, any of our cookware except for this little skillet. So on our next trip, when we go home to Camellia Homes at our house, we're gonna bring bigger pots out here so we can cook quicker. But it's no big deal because you know, you get to enjoy the view here while you cook. Here I got my co-pilot here, Chloe. There's Leanna over there. If you can see her, she just woke up. Her little sister, Dazzle's little sister, and older sister Carice, they stayed the night, so they spent the night with us last night. I got 2 of the crabs done. I got 3 more in the little skillet that we got. Looks like it's gonna be clear today. It hasn't rained this morning, but you just never know. There's a lot of clouds, you know, but at least it's not raining. And I think it's about 9:30 in the morning, so this will be our lunch today. After this crab, I'm gonna cook the shrimp. Yeah, I'm gonna cook the shrimp in garlic and butter. This one is kind of just like boiled, you know, just cook it a little bit. Hello. I'm melting the, this is called here in the Philippines, it's star margarine, and this is used actually in a lot of cooking in the Philippines, like butter, because it's cheaper, because butter is expensive here too in the Philippines. So this is a common Filipino, yeah, to cook that. Then I'm just melting the margarine, and I'm gonna put the garlic, and I'm gonna cook the shrimp in the margarine and garlic. So I'm gonna cook it.
Buttered.
Yeah, butter garlic.
Butter.
Yeah, butter garlic shrimp is what I'm making.
Chloe and Kobe are still playing.
They're still playing.
Yeah, they're still playing.
There's Leanna, my co-pilot again.
Yeah, Liana. Oh
They're
my
there.
God,
They're playing. They're playing.
Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
at least they're friends. At least they're not. They're just playing.
Mm. Oh.
Ayun. And there's the crab. The crab are cooked already. This is gonna be lunch.
Yay!
Crab,
Yummy!
crab and shrimp. And the crab was 155 pesos, so about $3 for that 5 pieces of crab. And then the shrimp was 180 pesos for half a kilo of shrimp. So
Liana loves seafood too. That's her favorite, babe, shrimp. Yay!
And here in the Philippines, when we cook shrimp, we cook the head and everything, but we cut off the like the string.
There's like a thorn.
Yeah, and then the thorn. Yeah, we cut that so it's not sharp. But we like to cook the shrimp with the head on it.
And that's our view.
Yeah. I think I can put all of it, right?
Yeah, just put all of it.
Just put all of it. I'm surprised it fit. I think it's gonna fit.
It's more than half kilo, babe.
I know,
Right?
right? So a little over $3 for a half kilo of shrimp. The seafood in that place is really inexpensive.
Inexpensive.
Yeah, very inexpensive.
Whoa.
And today, it's cloudy but no rain.
No rain.
Hazel and I, we actually went to Boracay last night.
Yes.
And on the way home, we left Boracay, I think about 10 p.m., 10:30.
yeah.
We got soaked because it started downpouring.
Yeah.
But it was okay. We had Dazzle's umbrella.
Yeah. I love it. It was an adventure.
It was an adventure. Yeah, it was an adventure.
Another maybe there's still Chloe and Kobe. Chloe and Kobe. Yeah. Kobe. There's actually a goat.
Oh yeah, there's a goat right there.
Yeah.
Couple actually. There's 2 goats.
Yes.
Oh, they're
Hi,
a brown goat
Kobe.
and a black goat.
Hi, Kobe. I can watch this all day, babe.
Yeah, I know. They're
fun to watch.
They're fun to watch.
Yeah. Cobra Chloe. Cobra Chloe.
Oh, we ate at that place. That was the first time we ate at that. Is that Station X?
Oh yeah, Station X.
Yeah, Station X. We ate at Station X. I had the barbecue pork belly and rice.
Yeah.
That was delicious. I could eat that again. It's like that's really delicious.
Yeah, that was
and
really
then
good.
Dazzle had the scallion, chicken,
rice.
yeah, rice.
Yeah.
But she
Oh.
said it just tastes like tinola.
Yeah, it tastes like tinola.
Yeah, it just tastes like tinola. And then we ate we went to that Halo mango.
Hello.
Yeah, that was the first time we had the Halo mango ice cream, and it had mango toppings.
Yeah.
That's delicious. It was delicious. Like that. The reason we went to Boracay, we picked up the guy that came from Thailand, him up at the airport, and then it was his first night in Boracay. So when you come to Boracay, you have to stay at a hotel. You have to have as a tourist. So we took him to his hotel. That's where he stayed last night, and then today he's supposed to meet with the landlady whether he'll get the room in Tambisan Beach. So I'm sure we'll hear from him today if he decides to get that apartment in Boracay. It's cooking, babe.
Oh yeah.
It'll be
Look
ready
at
for
the
lunch. ready for lunch.
Yummy.
Yummy. Liana said yummy.
Yummy.
Yummy. Did you guys cook rice?
Oh yeah, Ate Nene.
All right, good, good. So we got rice, we got crab. I can get like tomatoes and onions and stuff if you want to.
Yeah.
Because
Or a soft drink.
soft drink, okay?
Yeah.
Or calamansi juice. You want to get calamansi juice? No, or soft drinks. You want soft drinks?
Soup drinks.
Soft drinks. What do you want? Sprite or Royal?
Sprite.
Sprite. Okay, we'll get you Sprite.
Whatever's available at the store, baby.
Okay, I'll go get it at the store.
Oh, I'll have calamansi.
Calamansi.
Yeah, I'll have
Alright,
calamansi.
alright. That's what I like. I like the calamansi juice.
Yeah, calamansi juice.
Kalamansi rin naman ng ano ah.
Mountain Dew?
Yung
He likes Mountain Dew.
You like Mountain Dew?
She
That's
likes
not
Mountain Dew.
calamansi. Mountain Dew is not calamansi.
That's a lemon. Actually, it was it's Mountain Dew. I did. No, it's Sprite.
Lemon lime.
Yeah.
Yeah, lemon lime.
I'm not sure about Mountain Dew.
Di ba ate, may tanong ka kayo sa ano naman siya na ang lemon.
Lemon.
Yes.
Oh, yeah, but it has no fruit. Wala pang fruit.
No fruit.
No
Fruitless.
Fruitless. It's a fruitless lemon tree.
Ate, ikaw ng kanina.
Yeah, they're still playing.
Yeah.
Kobe and Chloe are still playing. Yes. Actually, they're best friends.
They're best friends. They're best friends. They
Yeah.
like each other.
Wow, babe, that smells good.
I know. It's nice and
Wow,
breezy
what a
today.
view.
It's like nice and cool today.
Yeah.
Labo ng mata.
Glasses. See, that guy's swimming. That guy in the boat is swimming.
Saan mo gusto mo cellphone?
Chloe, Kobe.
Galaxy? Galaxy?
Chloe,
Samsung
Kobe.
Galaxy.
Oh, Chloe.
Color red niya.
That one? That one?
Ay,
Kobe!
they're still playing, babe.
Yeah. Oh, Gopi's got white hair.
Oh, really?
Oh, may bunti mo ate.
He's got white hair. Cool.
Kobe.
He's old now.
He's only 2 years old.
Yeah, he's only 2
He's only
years
2.
old.
Ay, why sa...
Chloe's 8.
Yeah, Chloe's 8. Kobe is 2.
Wow. Ako, wala ang pagkali. Ay! Ito, hindi mo ganyan.
Yeah, don't go there, Chloe.
Ate,
What? I guess.
kalaway mo.
Oo.
Oo, natulo ng laway mo. Dito, dun o.
That's okay.
Kasi, ayun kasi maglaway. Ate. Because masarap eh. Babaw.
Oh.
Yeah, smells good. Smells delicious.
Yes. It smells
Shrimp.
delicious.
Masarap. Masarap pala yung niluto dito.
You can smell it, see? It's like, ooh.
That looks yummy, babe. Uy!
Come on, baby. Don't be.
Don't nyak nyak.
Don't yak yak.
No nyak nyak.
Doggies gotta behave.
Yes.
Nang sampayan yan sa babo, ate.
Yes.
Yeah, they got. That's where, if we had a washing machine and wash our clothes, we'll hang it up there. But we're just gonna keep doing the laundromat. That's a lot easier.
Pwede man lang pala bako.
Yeah, yeah. There was.
Bago isang pay, lagi.
Hi, Liana. How old are you? 9?
9 years old.
9 years old. Let's eat. Rice. We love rice.
Yeah, yeah. Rice is life in the Philippines. Me, I like to put vinegar on everything, so I bought this dato puti vinegar. So especially on like seafood, I like dipping my seafood in vinegar.
Me, I like it natural.
Natural, you like it natural? Yeah.
Ito po yan sa'yo na lang po yan.
No, I'll get my rice. Go ahead, go eat.
Kasi ano, okay na.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay. I'll even eat that. You know, it's like
Akin na lang.
I'm good.
Ayan na, slay.
All right.
Me? Oh,
Crab.
this.
I know you want the crab. I know you. You're the crab lady.
Queen.
You're the crab queen. You're like
Ano yan? Si Mama.
What about you, Chloe?
Chloe. You can't eat seafood. You're not allowed.
You're not allowed, Chloe.
Rice. I'll get shrimp.
Not for the shells.
This is just the margarine and the garlic. This is the sauce for the shrimp. And Dazzle's crab.
Half of my face. Yay. Nice.
All right, let's dig in.
Yes.
Thank you very much for watching. I'm Gino.
And I'm Dazzle.
We just started our channel, so if you enjoyed watching the video,
Please grow with us and hit the subscribe button and thumbs up.
and we are going to keep making videos of our life in Aklan province.
Philippines.